is a used 2009 Kia Borrego, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, trailer hitch, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Jovic Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2600 East Route 34, Sandwich, Illinois 60548.